Explain the discharge procedure of the following in compliance with MAPOL Annex 1. MAPOL Annex 1 regulates the discharge of oil and oily mixtures from ships in the sea. The regulation differs based on the ship type, oil tanker versus non-oil tanker, location inside or outside special areas, and operational status, en route or not. Key requirements include limitation on oil content in the discharge, the use of oil filtering equipment, and restriction on discharges in a special area and oil. Record book must be maintained to document discharge operation. Number 1. Oil emissions from cargo tank cleaning at Manila Bay in Anchorage. Prohibitions discharging oily mixtures from cargo tank cleaning while the anchor is generally prohibited under MAPOL Annex 1. Personally, discharges are only permitted while the ship is en route and ensure the dilution and dispersion of the effluent. Manila Bay may also be considered a special area or have a local regulation that prohibits such discharge procedure. The oily mixture must be retained on board for discharge to a port reception facility. Record keeping. Any retention and subsequent discharge to a port facility must be recorded in the oil record book. Number 2. Oily mixtures from cargo tank cleaning underway in the South China Sea. Permitted condition. Discharge is permitted in the following conditions are met the ships en route. The discharge rate does not exceed 30 liters per nautical mile. The oil content of the discharge is no more than 15 parts per million or ppm. The discharge is made outside specialty areas. The total quantity of oil discharged does not exceed 1 to 30,000 of the previous cargo for new ship or 115 for 16 ship. The ship has a professional oil discharge monitoring and control system procedure. Use ODNCS to monitor and control the discharge. Ensure discharge is low approved outlet. Record all details of the discharge in the oil record book. Number 3. Oily mixtures from engine room builds underway in the Red Sea. Special area consideration. The Red Sea is a designated special area under MAPOL Annex 1. Discharge restriction within a special area. Discharge of oily mixtures from engine room bilges is highly restricted permitted condition. If applicable, the ship is in the route. The oily mixtures proceed through oil filtering equipment, oily water separator or OWS. Meeting regulation 4.14.7 of Annex 1, the oil content of an effluent without dilution does not exceed 15 ppm. The oily mixtures does not originate from cargo pump, room, bilges in an oil tanker. The oily mixtures in the case of oil tanker is not mixed with oil cargoes. This procedure is unapproved by the OWS or early water separator and ensure it is functionally correctly monitor the oil content using the 15 ppm alarm automatic stopping device. Record the discharge in oil record book. Alternatives if the condition above cannot be met, retain the oily mixtures on board for discharge at a port reception facility. Number 4. Oily mixtures from engine room builds underway in the North Pacific Ocean. General discharge criteria outside special areas. The discharge of oily mixtures from engine room bilges is permitted in the following conditions are met. The ship is in the road. The oily mixture is proceed through all the filtering equipment meeting the requirements of regulation of 14 of Annex 1. The oil content of the effluent without dilutions does not exceed 15 ppm. The oily mixtures does not originate from cargo pump, room, bilges, and oil tanker. The oil The oily mixture is in the case of the oil tanker is not mixed with the oil cargo with residues procedure. Process the bilge water through an probe, OWS. Monitor the oil content to ensure it does not exceed 15 ppm. Record the details of discharge in the oil record book. So thank you sir.